Talking, Prime Minister Narendra Modi appeared as a guest on Zerodha co-founder Nikhil Kamat's podcast series called People by WTF. During the 2-hour episode, Prime Minister Modi discussed a wide range of topics, including his tenure as the Gujarat Chief Minister, India's technological progress, and the role of social media, politics, and its connections to entrepreneurship. Now, during this podcast, the Prime Minister also recalled a speech that he had given while he served as the Gujarat Chief Minister, where he acknowledged that mistakes are inevitable, and he went on to say that I too have made mistakes. There's a big controversy around it. First up, listen in to what the Prime Minister said in the podcast.
जब आप पहले कह रहे थे कि वो जो लोगों के साथ रहना, फीलिंग फॉर देम, वो एम्पैथी, सिंपैथी, क्या आपके चाइल्डहुड में ऐसी कोई चीजें थी which made you like that? मतलब जैसे आप कह रहे थे कि पॉलिटिशियन जब आप बनना चाहते हैं तो इट्स नॉट अबाउट यू, यू आर सेकेंडरी. जो लोग हैं जिनके लिए आप पॉलिटिशियन हैं वो पहला बन जाते हैं. आपके चाइल्डहुड में ऐसी कोई चीज थी जिसकी वजह से वो?
ऐसा है कि मेरा जीवन मैंने नहीं बनाया है, हालात ने बनाया है. मैं बचपन से जो जिंदगी गुजार करके आया हूं, मैं उसकी गहराई में जाना नहीं चाहता हूं कि अलग मेरा बचपन बीता है. लेकिन वो जिंदगी बहुत कुछ सिखाती है जी. और शायद वही मेरा एक प्रकार से सबसे बड़ी यूनिवर्सिटी थी. जब मुख्यमंत्री बना तो मेरा एक भाषण था और सहज रूप से मैंने कहा था कि मैं मेहनत करने में कोई कमी नहीं रखूंगा. दूसरा, मैं मेरे लिए कुछ नहीं करूंगा. और तीसरा, मनुष्य हूं, गलती हो सकती है, बद इरादे से गलत नहीं करूंगा.
After Prime Minister Narendra Modi in a podcast said that he is human and not God and can make mistakes, the Congress leaders took a swipe at him, accusing him of damage control. The Congress spokesperson Supriya Shrinate criticized Modi on social media, stating that while he once referred to himself as a messenger of God, he is now asserting that he is only human. Listen in.
कि मैं भी इंसान हूं, मुझसे गलती होती है, गलती हो सकती है नहीं. आपने भयंकर भूल की है नोटबंदी करके. आज तक देश की अर्थव्यवस्था पटरी पे नहीं आ पाई. जीडीपी गिरकर कहां पहुंच गया. बड़ा आदमी वो होता है, ईमानदार आदमी वो होता है, सच्चे दिल का आदमी वो होता है जो गलती स्वीकार भी करे और गलती के लिए माफी भी मांगे. मैं तो आपसे कहूंगा एक कदम और आगे बढ़िए, देश से इन गलतियों के लिए माफी मांगे.
So the Congress party saying that the Prime Minister had a reality check. That's a dig that came in from the Congress party. In fact, several Congress leaders took to social media to say that earlier the Prime Minister had called himself a messenger of God, but now he seems to have had a change of heart. National spokesperson of the BJP, Shehzad Poonawala, joins us on the broadcast. Shehzad, the Congress party has taken a dig at the Prime Minister's light-hearted conversation in the podcast, saying it looks like the Prime Minister got a reality check.
You see, PM Modi did his first podcast, but Congress party is an odd cast. It is really odd that, Prime Minister has shared his experiences over a period of his entire life. He has spoken about how he has always followed a particular point of view. Instead of appreciating it, the Congress party has only one obsession: how to abuse Modi ji. And that is the only thing that they can do. And this just shows that they are the Nawabs of negativity. They are an odd caste. And instead of focusing on their own selves and how they can win an election or two, they've lost Maharashtra, they've lost Haryana, they're going to lose Delhi. They are only interested in abusing Prime Minister Modi. And this is the problem. This is the reason. Even in the podcast, Prime Minister said कि वो गाली देते हैं, मैं ले लेता हूँ. वो दे रहे हैं तो मैं ले लेता हूँ. उनके पास देने के लिए और कुछ है ही नहीं, तो वो गाली देते रहे, मोदी जी काम करते रहेंगे.
Okay, all right, Shehzad. Thank you for joining us with the BJP's perspective on that. My colleague Pradeep Datta is also joining us on the broadcast. Pradeep, in the previous conversation as well, when the Prime Minister had made that statement, the Congress Party had criticized it. Now the BJP hitting back at the opposition, at the Congress Party, saying this is a light-hearted conversation. This is a podcast where the Prime Minister was opening up. Why is the Congress Party being a nawab of negativity?
Yes, in fact, this has become a standard operation procedure for the opposition party leaders. Whatever the Prime Minister will be saying, they will keep on opposing that. Good, if you are opposing something for the better, that's good. But unnecessarily, if you are trying to look for the holes in the skull, that's not really done. And here in this case also, Prime Minister, this was a very light-hearted conversation. For the first time, the Prime Minister was there on a podcast, because in the past we have seen several of his interviews, and he also trying to revive radio with his Mann Ki Baat, which he has done to a great extent. Now he was trying to talk about that, he was highlighting about one of his speech as the Chief Minister of Gujarat. He said that he had said that he will not be doing anything for himself. And second thing, he said that he will not keep any stone unturned. And third is that he can make mistake, but that will not be intentional. That will not be intentional mistake. So to err is human, something which the Prime Minister was talking about. And we have seen that already the controversy has started, and Congress Party has started hitting out a Prime Minister. They're calling it basically a damage control exercise. And there has been a tweet from Jairam Ramesh, who is saying that just only 8 months back, Prime Minister had said that he had proclaimed non-biological status, and now it's a damage control exercise. He's saying that he is a human being, he is not God, he can also commit mistakes. So this was a light-hearted conversation. I think any human being can commit mistakes in life. It's better that they learn from their mistake and they try to do well. He was also talking about different topics like the role of the social media, his 2 tenure as a Prime Minister, what is his vision in the 3rd tenure. He said that when he first time became the Prime Minister of the country, the people were trying to understand him. A 2nd tenure, he was really trying to do something for the country. And now with the 3rd term, he's quite confident, and he's really going to set out the goal for the Viksit Bharat till 2024, 2047, till the Bharat is going to achieve that Vishwa Guru status. So the Prime Minister was talking about diverse topic. I think this is something one need to be really appreciative of, that Prime Minister has the candid approach of discussing several things and setting a goal and for the people to follow. And he's setting a right kind of a precedence, because he's interacting and trying to tell people what really need to be done. And he's also admitting that the mistakes he has committed in the past, and he has tried to learn from them. I think this is what actually every human being is doing. So it was a very candid, light-hearted conversation, and the first time the entrepreneur and the politician coming together, trying to understand each other and drawing a roadmap for the people of the country to follow. That's what actually the aim of this podcast was. And Congress Party unnecessarily trying to create a controversy out of it. That's one of the reasons that the BJP has reacted strongly. They call them the nawab of negativity, because they do only one thing, that they keep on abusing Prime Minister for whatever he is doing and whatever he's saying.
Okay, all right, Pradeep, thank you for joining us with those details.